Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Okay, so right off the bat, there's no point of this video, all right? Audio, sorry. And this is just me expressing my opinions, nothing to offend anyone. We're all built different. We think differently. What's important for me might not be for you, and that's completely fine. We can respect each other. This is just me trying to express something in my personal context, मेरी लाइफ को लेके. मैं तुम्हारी लाइफ के इस पे कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं करी. तुम्हें जो खुशी देता है तुम वो करो. So yeah, anyway. All right. So the first thing that I feel is very superficial and given way more importance than needed is looks and what you're wearing. And I feel a lot of people take a lot of pride in the way they look and what they wear. And I just feel that is the least attractive quality in someone. Matlab, yeah, if you have a healthy body and if you're a clean person and you wear clothes that you're comfortable in, that's all. उससे ज़्यादा भसड़ नहीं चाहिए. Why is there so much of pressure on this, and why do teenagers feel the need to adopt a particular fashion sense and try to emulate that? Because nowadays I see everyone wearing the same kind of thing, the same kind of color themes, the same kind of all of that. And I don't mean it in the sense कि क्या बोलते हैं अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी एक्सप्रेस मत करो या समथिंग लाइक दैट या फिर मतलब आई मीन व्हेन something new comes out in the market, everyone wants to pick up that specific thing, even if that might not be something they are comfortable in, but they want to look cool. So, इसलिए adopt किया जा रहा है वो चीज़. But yeah, the whole reason why a trend or a kind of fashion statement goes viral is because the person wearing it or promoting it feels good in it. So the whole point is for you to feel good in the thing. And personally, for me, my pajamas and my t-shirt is the most comfortable thing for me to be in. But I'll not be deemed fashionable at all. And I wear the most simple clothes. I don't know if I have a fashion sense at all, but I like to be clean. I like to smell good. I like to take care of my body. And that's all. उससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता इसके ऊपर टाइम एनर्जी स्पेंड करना ज़रूरी है. फॉर मी, मेरे लिए, ठीक है? मुझे नहीं लगता कि ज़्यादा कुछ हो रहा है. I like a little lip balm, tinted here and there. Yeah, that's it. So, I don't know. It's just like people around you, when you are not adopting something, are always like, Arey, why are you not doing this and that? And I'm just like, I'm not comfortable in it. And the whole point was to feel good and comfortable in what you're wearing and how you're looking. So, yeah, let me do it my way. That will be enough. So, yeah. And the other thing that is the main one that comes to my head is तुम मरने के बाद ये ऊपर लेके नहीं जाने वाले हो ये सारी चीजें जिस पे इतना गौर है तुम्हें. और पहली बात तो इट्स जेनेटिक व्हेन इट कम्स टू लुक्स एंड इट्स लाइक ठीक है, यू कैन ग्रैब अटेंशन बट कैन यू रियली कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. लाइक एवरी सिंगल पर्सन दैट आई थिंक look good and dress good can't hold a conversation for some reason. And I know I'm putting a very generalized statement, but it is so difficult to find people to have genuinely good conversations with. And yeah, I feel if there was more focus on character than on what we are wearing, things would have been much better. Because every time someone keeps blabbering about this, the only thing that I keep thinking about is it's very temporary. And I know I always have a very, wide view of life, and that is not necessary, but that's just the way I function. तो मुझे बस यही होता है कि Okay, but your character is something that you will carry through all of your lives, and after you die, and जो चीज़ तुम करने आए हो is really working on your soul, and like the challenges that you face and trying to navigate it, trying to find yourself, self discovery is all that I focus on. And then what you're wearing and how you look is like a very small part of it. तो मेरे लिए उन चीज़ों को ज़्यादा भाव देना अंदर से ही नहीं आता है मुझे. But for some reason, it's always the hot topic and the talk of the town. And I just like, am I going a little like, mm, yeah, I'm not getting it. So, anyway, so there's that. Just wanted to know if anyone feels the same way. And if you do, please don't feel the need to look a certain way, adopt a specific trend, or feel the need to buy something because everyone's doing that and it has become the norm. I still love my t-shirts. I still love my kurtis. And yeah, I'll always wear my clothes that I feel the most comfortable in. And yeah, let my character shine more than the way I look. And that doesn't mean I don't care about how I look or something. It's just that it's a very small part. Matlab, as long as you are clean, smelling good, and yeah, have basic etiquettes, तब तक it's all good. बाकी उसके beyond जितना ऐसे मतलब oh my god ऐसे पागल हो जा रहे वो नहीं आता है मेरे में. And I used to be that person, okay? I have been that person and I cringe on that. But the more I connect with myself, I just feel it is so futile. It is so futile to spend that kind of money and time and energy on something that is so superficial and does not last for a long time. So, yeah. Anyway, and वो character वाली चीज़ तो is very personal to me because again, when I see someone who's not working on their character, but they're choosing all the wrong sorts of things, so I cannot matlab, continue having a healthy conversation. So for me, it will always be about what are the kind of things that a person gets excited about, and if the thing that you're most excited about is only superficial things in life that won't matter after you die, you are not going to carry your clothes and your looks after you die. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to offend anyone, but it's just how I feel. There has to be a deeper aspect of your life. If your whole personality is just that, then I don't know what did you do here with the time that you were given. So yeah, these are very matlab बाद की चीजें, but what makes you, what shapes your character will always be something that will make you stand out and attract people and bring depth to your life. And yeah, your looks and whatever you wear will become a bonus to it. And this is specifically people my age who are crazy about it. Karke, I feel the need to talk. And if there are teenagers who feel the same way, like we need to look a certain way to be accepted by uh, people around us. You don't need to at all. It does not matter. It hardly matters. Yeah, if it brings you happiness, do it, but work on your character first. Try to build a personality. And yeah, everything else is just an add on. So, yeah, that's just how I feel about this whole when it comes to trends. And also, this thing when it comes to not knowing memes and FOMO and all of that. Why is this a big thing again? If I don't know a meme that has gone viral, does that make me uncool? I really don't get it. Again, that's another thing because I don't use Instagram and I I don't find anything cool about it, first off. And secondly, every time there's something that I don't know about, it comes with such a shock. And I'm like, but guys, this is not as shocking as not having any personality. Like, if your whole personality is just the memes that have been circulated or this trend that you are following, then what is it that's left that I can know about you? And yeah, the other thing is visiting fancy restaurants. Again, not something that I am so keen on and go crazy about, or partying or clubbing. There are so many things that can come under this umbrella. You know what I'm talking about. Anything that lacks depth is something I feel does not need the kind of attention that it gets. But yeah, primarily we are people who वर्क थ्रू आवर सेंसेस, मतलब सेंसेस से काफ़ी अटैच्ड है हम, इसलिए हम जो चीज़ देखते हैं और लाइक जो भी चीज़ ऐसे अट्रैक्टिव लगती है, इट इज़ यूजुअली टू आवर सेंसेस, नॉट लाइक ऑन अ सोल लेवल. एंड या आई थिंक देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ that goes around. तो वही, just ask yourself if this actually adds any depth to your life, कि तुम उसको अपनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. एंड आई नो कभी कभी अनकॉन्शियसली हो जाता है, बिकॉज I have been there, and oh my god, I had like literally no control over my senses. I'm sorry, I just got a call. But yeah, I used to be that person. मुझे पता भी नहीं चल रहा था कि ये ऐसा सब हो रहा है मेरे साथ, unless yeah, stuff happened. But yeah, I think if I would have heard someone like me from future, like future Ria talking about it, I would have at least given it a thought कि क्या कर रही हूँ भाई मैं, मेरा पर्सनालिटी ये तो नहीं बन गया है बस फोटो खींचना. और anyway, nothing bad about it. I just wish people had more to themselves and shared more about themselves, and their pictures weren't the only thing they obsessed about, but their character and their personality was something that they would pay more attention to. So, yeah, that's all that I wanted to share with this one. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.